Assembling the optoelectric probe. Insert the optoelectric probe holder in the adapter. Make sure the ferrule alignment mark is facing the same direction as the gold metal ring. Secure the holder with the patch cord junction screw. Before inserting the wire, the probe tip hollow core must be filled with an electrolyte solution. Insert the wire inside the hollow core. Bend the wire so that it forms an angle of 90 degrees. Align the interconnect wire with the slot. Push the probe to be in contact with the zirconia ferrule. Rotate the probe in the receptacle to align the two optical cores. Secure the probe tip position using the probe tip junction screw. Insert the gold metal end of the interconnect wire in the hole on the adapter. Ensure the wire and the hollow core are aligned with the alignment mark. The optoelectric probe assembly is complete.